Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold weekly analyze for your gold trading next week. I think my gold forecast weekly you will help to get the gold trade accurate for. So last week analyze as my analyze, so gold was going to as my analyze. So I am thinking this weekly forecast you will help to get the gold trade accurately. So you can see the gold is now ranging. This is the yellow color, my line I already marked. This is gold is ranging from there. So 2010 is the resistance and 1975 is the support area. So gold was ranging last week from this support resistance area. So line chart I am moved. So line chart you can see the left side huge support there, it can be resistance in right side. So that's the technical picture I have. Gold is the ranging movement is gold is now going 1975 2010 is the between price level. So that's the technical picture I have. Let's move the economic data for gold next week. There's only one curve for the Fed's lack of roadmap. That is the person of Fed's chairperson Powell is handling the aircraft. So Forex Live that's mentioned next week is a huge volatility economic data, that is Fed's interest rate decision was in 3rd May. So I am in Forex Factory. So if you are trading gold, US dollar is the key currency you should touch with the economic data. That's the Fed's interest rate decision is next week, 3rd of May. So 5% is the Fed's current interest rate and 5.25 is the Fed's American Central Bank forecast to get the rate hike 25 bps. So final rate hike may be this, that's the Forex Live mentioned. So 25 bpa is already sentiment to markets. They forecast 5.25 it's rate hike from next interest rate decision. So that's the volatility economic data next week. So other volatility economic data is the non-farm employment change every month Friday. First week is rose, it will be released next week Friday. Non-farm employment change is there, 236k is the previous figure. So Fed forecast to 180k drop to non-farm employment change. So about 230k figure, that is positive for US dollar, and gold will be dropped from that actual figure. You will touch with this economic data because of market moves as this economic data affected. So Fed interest rate is 5.25, that is gold will be helped to gold drop, and Fed is hold the rate, that is gold get the demands and US dollar get the negative effect. So that's the economic data next week. You will touch with this two economic data, and I am moved to my technical analysis for your next week gold trade. So I am moved to the gold daily chart. You can see that this move I am using Fibonacci for your accurate areas. For this move I am seeing this move I am using Fibonacci 0.618 is the golden zone area. So I like to mark 0.6187, that's the golden zone with the Fibonacci tool. This zone is the very important 1950 level, that is the very big buy zone for gold. That's why there's a left side resistance is torn resistance. That's I am moved to line chart for clear picture. So left side resistance can be support in here, and Fibonacci 0.61 level is there. So you can see the left side strong resistance is can be support in here, 1955 level. So there's a buy zone for gold. So technically analysis, so this zone is the sorry, buy zone for gold, the 1955 level. So there's a liquidity in both sides, is price is ranging. So I think next week with the Fed's interest rate decisions is 25 bps hike is forecast. It's already sentiment to market. So next week with the Fed's interest rate decision with the 5.25 is the, I think gold will be dropped to the below level 1950 level is the best zone for buy gold. That's I am thinking, I am forecasting for with the US dollar effect economic data drop to the below, and gold will be buys to the upside to my target it 2050 is the target. So interest rate will be whole from next interest rate decisions. After that gold get the demand, US dollar get the negative effect. I think 2050 is my target for gold. So I think clear the below line, below liquidity, and drop to 1950-55. So that's the best buy zone for gold with the Fibonacci, and with the sell strong buy zone is there technically. So I think that's the picture I have technically. Gold should be dropped to below and clear the liquidity, and like this to 2050 2040 is my target. So that's the I am thinking, I am forecasting gold should be going like this and collect the below liquidity and going to the upside. So 2040 above level. So that's the my analyzing for next week goal. You should get the correct analysis with the in smaller time frame confirmation. So my telegram link is below for accurate goal signals. Thank you.